The butterfly effect is a concept that illustrates how small, seemingly insignificant actions or changes can have large and unpredictable consequences over time, especially in complex systems like weather patterns or stock markets. The name comes from the metaphorical example of a butterfly flapping its wings in one part of the world and through a series of escalating effects, ultimately causing a hurricane in another part of the world much later. Here's a breakdown on the key ideas. Sensitivity to initial conditions. The butterfly effect highlights the extreme sensitivity of certain systems to their starting conditions. Even the tiniest variation at the beginning can lead to dramatically different outcomes in the long run. Unpredictability. Because of this sensitivity, long term prediction in complex systems becomes very difficult. It is not impossible. You might know the general rules governing the system, but the impact of countless small, often unmeasurable factors can change the trajectory in unforeseeable ways. Chain reactions. The small initial change doesn't directly cause the large effect. Instead, it sets off a chain reaction of events. The tiny flap of a butterfly's wing creates a small disturbance in the air which slightly alters air currents, which in turn affect larger weather patterns, and so on until eventually a major storm system might be influenced. In simpler terms, imagine pushing a snowball down a hill. A very small difference in the initial push, even a tiny nudge in a slightly different direction, can lead to the snowball going in a much larger and ending up completely different place at the bottom of the hill. The butterfly effect is a powerful idea that applies not just to weather, but to many areas, including chaos theory. It's a fundamental concept in chaos theory which studies complex and unpredictable systems. Social systems. Small social trends or individual actions can sometimes lead to a large scale social change. Ecology. Minor environmental disturbances can have significant impacts on ecosystems. While a single butterfly flapping its wings likely won't actually cause a hurricane, the metaphor effectively illustrates the profound and often unexpected interconnectedness and sensitivity within complex systems.